All right, here is page 32. We're going to start with the minor scales. There's three forms of the minor scales. The first one they're showing you here is A minor. And now if you go from C to C, you got a major scale. If you take those same notes and play from A to A, you have the A natural minor scale. And the pattern is whole step, half step, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. Because it's, you know, here's your whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. You're just shifting it. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. That's the natural minor form. Now here, and here they're showing you, you know, how that works. And here is, if you were using, if you were keeping, no, here they're making do be A. So mi fa sol la so fa mi re do fa mi fa sol la ti do fa, oh, so fa mi re do. That's a piece in natural minor. Now, if you're doing natural minor, it has a very ancient sound. If you wanted to sound a little more modern with a major 5 chord, you would use the harmonic minor scale, which raises the 7th scale degree a half step, and that allows you to have a major 5 chord. We haven't got to chords yet, so you just have to take my word for it. And so that changes the order of whole and half steps. You go whole, half, whole, half, 1.5, half, instead of the natural minor scale, which is whole, half, half, whole. So that's harmonic minor. And then here is an example of a tune using harmonic minor. I'm not going to play presto because I haven't practiced this. That's the tempo that it would really go. So that's harmonic minor. You can see all these, and they have to put accidentals for those G sharps because they're not in the key signature, but that is to allow for a major 5 chord, a major dominant chord. Now that leaves you with that big old gap, which some people don't like. So then they change the melody a little bit and raise the 6th and 7th scale degrees, ascending, and the rule is that you have to revert to natural minor descending. So this is developed by composers who just didn't like that sound of 1.5 steps between 6 and 7, but they did like the major 5 chord with the raised 7th scale degree. So here is a little excerpt using the A melodic minor scale. This is the subtonic because it's going down. Here's an ascending portion. Now, in usage, composers just kind of go back and forth. They might, in one part of the piece, use natural minor. In another part of the piece, they might use ascending melodic minor. In another part of the piece, they might use harmonic minor. We learn the scales separately so that we know what they are, but composers would combine them, mix and match. And then here they show you A natural minor, A harmonic minor, and A melodic minor ascending. And you also have the videos that I'm posting with all my little magnetic scales.